All right. Well, Your Excellency, congratulations. What do you have to say to the people of Adamawa at this moment, sir?
Well, I want to use this opportunity to commend the maturity of the people of Adamawa, which they exhibited during this, what I call drama, exhibited by some of the officials of INEC as far as this election is concerned. It was a very unnecessary, process that we went through. But we thank God it is all over, and I hope people will learn from the mistakes that have been committed as far as the supplementary elections are concerned.
Well, anybody that followed this election would clearly understand why you call it a drama. We have seen 2 declarations within 48 hours, we can say. But going forward, how do we avoid this kind of drama in our political process?
Well, we will always continue to strive to improve the electoral process. But not only the electoral process itself, but the people who are employed, to implement the process, I think must be people of real integrity. And there is need for training and retraining, and also background checks, of individuals who are employed into the electoral body. There is so much, left to be desired from the elections we have conducted so far. I have been in politics for 34 years. This is the worst election ever in my political career. Take it from the presidential up to the lowest level. So I think there is a general need for an overhaul of the electoral process, and in fact, not only the laws and the regulations, but also the personnel.
Well, finally, the worst election ever, as far as you're concerned, and yet, the highest turnout of people at this election. Where does that leave the people?
Well, I believe the people must have been terribly disappointed. You could see the mood of the country from the presidential up. There is nobody is jubilating. Nobody is excited. So you can know that things have not gone the right way. It's a clear indication that things have not gone the right way.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
DRP. Next section, LGP.
Yawa. Sanu.
Umaru Ahmadu Fintiri of PDP, having satisfied the requirement of the law, is hereby declared the winner and returned.